That is part C. Part D reads, evaluate 8 benefits to attendees of holding meetings virtually. 8 benefits to attendees. 8 benefits to attendees. The question is specific to attendees. D. 8 benefits to attendees. Attendees are those who attend, the participants. What are the benefits to the participants for holding meetings on digital platforms, for holding meetings online? One obvious benefit is convenience. Convenience. Virtual meetings allow attendees to participate from anywhere as long as they have internet connection, eliminating the need for travel and saving time and expenses associated with commuting. 2, cost saving is a benefit. Virtual meetings can significantly reduce costs associated with venue rentals, catering, and even travel expenses, and that makes it more cost effective for attendees to participate in meetings. 3, flexibility. Virtual meetings offer flexibility in scheduling, allowing attendees from different time zones to participate without constraints. It enables individuals with busy schedules to join meetings at their own convenience. 4, increased participation. Virtual meetings can foster increased participation as attendees may feel more comfortable expressing their opinions and ideas remotely. It also provides an equal platform for all participants to contribute without limitations of physical presence. Record keeping. Now, virtual meetings can be recorded and documented, providing a reliable record of discussions or decisions and even actions, and that helps in maintaining transparency and facilitates easy reference and follow-up by the attendees. Then we may have advantages like enhanced collaboration. Virtual meeting platforms often provide tools for collaboration, such as screen sharing, document sharing, and even real-time editing. The attendees can edit some of the documents in real time, and that enhances collaboration among attendees and improves the productivity of attendees. All right, do you understand? Environmental impact. Or let me discuss first of all accessibility. Virtual meetings offer accessibility to individuals with mobility challenges or geographical limitations. It allows for inclusive participation, ensuring that all stakeholders have the opportunity to engage and contribute to the meeting discussions. Number 8, enhanced learning. Virtual meetings can enhance the learning of the attendees because the attendees can watch presentations, they can ask questions, and even engage with the leaders or other attendees in real time. So these are the advantages to attendees for holding meetings virtually. Number one is convenience. This is related to time. Then cost saving, flexibility, increased participation, record keeping, enhanced collaboration, accessibility, enhanced learning. These are 8 marks. 8 marks.